Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play games on Citra. First, you will need to download the official Citra emulator from its dedicated website. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your computer. It is crucial to ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for smooth operation, typically requiring a 64-bit operating system and a decent processor for optimal performance. Next, you will need to acquire your game files. The most ethical way is to legally dump your own game cartridges using a compatible device. This ensures you own the games you are playing. Make sure your game files are in a format that Citra supports, such as the common 3DS or CCI file types for proper recognition and loading within the emulator. Now, let's optimize Citra's settings for the best experience. Open the emulator and navigate to the configuration menu. Here, you can fine-tune graphics and audio settings to match your system's capabilities, aiming for a balance between visual quality and smooth frame rates. Don't forget to map your keyboard or controller inputs for comfortable and responsive gameplay. Finally, you are ready to launch your games. Simply load your game ROM through Citra's user-friendly interface. If you encounter any issues, such as slow performance or crashes, try adjusting your settings or checking for updated emulator versions. The Citra community forums are also an excellent resource for troubleshooting and finding solutions to common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.